Hey guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, again a consolidating day in Bank Nifty and Nifty as well, right? So what can we exactly see from here, right? Is this move gonna continue on the upside? Are we gonna break down from here, right? Or was this just a false bulls move? And from here we could see again a very good selling coming in, right? So first of all, to tell you the general market trend, what exactly is happening in the market, I'm gonna go to a bigger time frame of 1 hour and show you guys exactly what is happening. If you see in Bank Nifty, we are making a double bottom formation, right? So this looks very bullish, right? Because whenever a double bottom formation is happening, this is showing that the bears tried to bring the market down, right? And the bulls, there was a pullback, and the bears again tried to bring the market down, but they could not. Bulls are again taking control, right? So from here, if we break out above 42,000, we probably could see levels of 44,000 coming in on the in a few days, right? Because again, from 40,000 to 42,000, actually it will be 39,500, but I would take 40,000. From 40,000 to 42,000 is 2,000 points, so we can expect a upside move of 2,000 points in the coming days, right? So above 42,000, if we break out, things can look very bullish in the market, right? In Nifty, same thing, 17,960, but I would say above 18,000 is where we can expect this double bottom formation to break out. And from here again, things could look very bullish in Nifty also, because if you see, 18,200 looks like a resistance, but the thing is, it has been tested many times, right? Sellers have tried many times to bring market down from 18,250 to 200 level. So this time, if we break out, I don't think market Nifty is anytime gonna stop even at 18,200. Probably it could stop like for some time, but 18,200 is also very, weak. It has also become a very weak resistance. And from here in Nifty, we can expect at least 18,500 to 18,400 in the coming days if this breakout happens, right? Because as I said, this resistance has become very weak. Now I don't think this resistance will also hold. So 18,400 looks like a clear target in the coming days, right? But let's talk about the smaller time frames and where can you take a trade tomorrow, right? That's what you guys been waiting for. So below 41,250 to 260 is where you guys can go ahead and take a bearish trend till 41,000. But I would recommend wait for do not take very aggressive trades over here, because what could happen, again, I'm going to show you guys exactly what could happen over here. Just give me, yeah. So what could happen is that we moved up from here, we are moving up over here, right? So we could probably like take another swing down over here and then again move up from here, right? So this could be a very possible scenario tomorrow. So I would recommend to wait at least just 1 day more, and then we guys can go ahead and take sell aggressively over here, because tomorrow again, as I said, we could go down till 41,000 and then recover by the day's end, right? And probably even break out on the upside. But yeah, probably you could recover by the day's end. So that could be again, you might hit your stop loss and you might take a little bit of losses. So wait for a day at least. If we do see a very bearish closing tomorrow, then we guys can go ahead and take a aggressive sell position in the coming days, right? Or on the expiry day, right? So below 41,260 is where you guys can go ahead and take a trade till 41,000. On the upside, very simple. Wait for where the selling has started. Once we go above the level from where the selling has started, then you guys can go ahead and take a trade till 42,000 or 41,950 on the upside. So above 41,640 to 630 is where you guys can go. Once we start breaking out above that level, you guys can go ahead and take a trade. Keep 100 to 150 point stop loss and aim for at least 41,950 on the upside. That gives you a 300 points upside momentum for 100 to 150 points. So it gives you 1:2 or 1:3 risk to reward ratio on the downside, right? But I don't think we will stop. I mean, we will see any good, like pullbacks from here, because again, as I said, we waited for a day. All the sellers who accumulated today, now they'll be scared as soon as we break out from here, right? So things could get very bullish tomorrow if we break out on the upside, right? if we do open with any sort of a gap down, again things could get volatile. Why am I saying so? Is very simple, because buyers will now get a chance to enter, whereas all the people who would have bought over here, now they would want to exit, right? So what could happen is that we could say open at 41,100, move down, move up, move down. So probably things could get very volatile, and you will not be even be able to sell, because in the gap down already a lot of move has happened in the gap down, so it would not even make sense to sell over here. So tomorrow, if you open with a gap down, I would recommend you guys to not take a trade over here. But yeah, if we open with a gap up, say somewhere near 41,700 to 41,600, you guys can take a trade at the opening itself. Because from there, I don't think we will wait, because if we are opening, if we are opening with at 41,600, 700, all these sellers will start to panic very much, and then we can expect a very, very good upside move from here, right? That's for Bank Nifty. What about Nifty, right? Um, Nifty, very simple, as you can see, above 40 and 17,780 is where you guys can go ahead and take a trade till 17,850 to 840 on the upside. If you want, you guys can also exit at 17,820, because this could act as a resistance, but I don't think this will act as a resistance. Again, over here in Nifty, I would recommend to take a little bit less quantity, maybe 60% or 70% quantity, and you can go very bullish above 17,860, because from there is not much resistance till 70,960, so you can get an easy 100 points over here. So you can go fully bullish above 18,860. Before that, you guys can take a trade with less quantity over here, probably 50% quantity. On the downside, very simple, below 17,710 to 715 is where you guys can take a trade. Your first target should easily be 17,680, and your next target should be 17,600 on the downside, right? If we do open with any sort of a gap down, as I said, things will get pretty volatile. And on the upside, if you even open with a gap up, right, even open with a gap up and move up from here, very simple, take the trade with full quantity, because then the sellers will really get panicked, and we could see a very good move on the upside till 18,000, right? Let's talk about Fin Nifty, because tomorrow is the expiry, and things, we make a lot of money on expiries, right? Very simple. If you see from where the selling has started, take a trade from there. So if above 18,440 to 450 is where you guys can see the trend line also. So above 18,440 to 450 is where you guys can go ahead and take a trade over here. From here, we can easily expect 18,650 to 640 to 650 to 640 coming tomorrow itself. So you guys can take a very, very good trade. If this will be a very good scenario if you're an option buyer. If we say open with a gap down somewhere near 18,350, all these levels, right? 350, 340, all these levels, and spend the first hour over here. Then if you buy an option above the break of this trend line, then you can expect a very, very good options buying trade over here. Because what happens in Fin Nifty is that in the first hour of opening, a lot of the options decay very much, and from there the options kind of the decay happens slowly. So if after the first hour we break out, then you can get a very, very good options buying trade. You can easily get 1:4, 1:5, even 1:6, 7, right? All these risk to reward ratios, because then the options start expanding very crazily over here, right? So if we after the first hour we get a options buying trade over here, do not hesitate to take it, because that could give you very good profits, right? Anyways, on the downside, we wait for 18,300 to be broken. Below 18,300 is where you can sell till 18,200 on the downside. On the upside, as I said, wait for 18,440 to 450 to be broken. Once that is broken, your target should be 18,640 on the upside, right? Easy 200 points I think we can get tomorrow itself, right? Anyways, guys, that was it for today. I hope you guys like my analysis, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.